Hi students, today my lecture is about Excel, Microsoft Excel. Today is my first class about Microsoft Excel. My objective is to deliver the full understanding of Microsoft Excel till the advanced version of my Microsoft Excel. I'm using here Microsoft Excel 365, but these are for formula basics are also belongs to the older version of the Microsoft Excel like 2019 and 2016. First of all, I like you to tell you about the function formula syntax. For what is the formula syntax? You have to understand the complete setup of formula. So if you understand how to write formula, then you will definitely able to write any kind of formula in Excel. First of all, you must remember this that you have to start any formula with any is equal to sign like this, and after is equal to sign, you have to write the function name. This is the match functions we are writing here, and this is called argument. uh, After parenthesis, arguments are always in between the parenthesis is just like a round bracket like this, and this is called comma, but in Excel we are calling this a separator. And for other functions like plus divide greater than is equal to are just like basic math function, and you don't need to any special use any special function. If you have any confusion for in understanding this, so you have to pause my video and read all these comments here. Then you will clearly understand my topic very well. So thank you for watching my video. And please like and subscribe my video. I will upload more videos for you. Thank you very much.